So we all think we just need a really good deep tissue massage. In this video, I'm going to explain why deep tissue massage isn't always better. What's up, everybody? My name is Dr. Maggio, and I am the creator of the Peak Method and the founder of the Soft Tissue Revolution. And I'm on a hell of a mission to make chronic injuries obsolete. In today's video, what I want to talk about is why deep tissue massage and going deeper is actually causing more harm than good. So let's head over to the whiteboard to explain more in depth. So I get this all the time. I just really need you to go a little deeper, or I just need a really good deep tissue massage. And I train massage therapists all over the world, and they also have these misconceptions about what's going on. And the thing is, in order to actually get in there and break the tissue down and fix it, it doesn't need as much depth as you think. So I've talked in other videos about the idea of scar tissue. Scar tissue is like glue that gets inside the muscle. It makes the muscle weaker, less flexible, and causes a lot of pain. Luckily, scar tissue is completely reversible with expert evaluation and expert treatment that are delivered by practitioners that are trained in my system called the Peak Method. Today, I wanted to put to rest the idea that it needs to go deeper and that deep tissue massage is what your injury really needs. So, scar tissue, it sits on the muscle. It makes the muscle very weak and very inflexible. The beauty of scar tissue is it is completely reversible with expert treatment. But everyone always thinks that you just need to go really deep. You know, people will go get a deep tissue massage and the therapist might drive their elbow in there, or they might stand on you, or all sorts of weird shit. You never know what's really going on. But the problem is, to break scar tissue down, it needs a combination of proper depth and tension. Tension is what breaks it down. Tension is what breaks it down. Let me give you a really good example. So let's say we got a rubber band, right? I take that rubber band, I put it on the floor, I jump on it, I drive a car over it, I jump on it some more, and we just beat the hell out of it. That rubber band is not going to break. What breaks that rubber band is tension. And that's what the Peak Method trained practitioners are really good at fixing. So let me explain how we do that. So that scar tissue sits on that muscle, makes it really weak, really inflexible. What my practitioners are trained in is getting in there very precise and very focused with their hands and the use of an instrument. And what they're able to do is get in there and get proper depth, then tension, and they have the client go through a full range of motion. And over a series of visits, we get rid of all that scar tissue. As we do that, the muscles become healthier, they become stronger, and they become more flexible. The beauty is the treatments are not excruciating, but they're effective. I always say treatment should be a hurts but good. And if you're continuing to go to these therapists that are just beating the hell out of you, digging their elbows into you, and going really deep, and you're not any better, it's because they're not getting proper depth and tension on that tissue. Now, I know there's lots of people out there that are like, oh, I do the same stuff, and they don't. That's just the case. You know, I train massage therapists all over the world, and our Peak Method trained practitioners, they thought the same thing too when they came in. They thought they needed to do more depth, but you need that proper tension, and that comes with skill and getting to the right type of practitioner. So if you're someone that thinks you need deep tissue massage, you're a massage therapist, like, yeah, I go real deep and I'm really good at what I do, you're wrong. And it's okay to be wrong. But the first step in admitting you're wrong is getting some more answers about what's going on. So if you're struggling with this, you're going never-ending to massages and not getting any relief, click the link below and it'll get you in contact with one of our practitioners all over the country and start getting you some real functional-based, results-driven treatment so you can get out of pain and not have to be tortured for a whole hour. So that's all I got in the video for today. Appreciate you guys watching. And if you have any questions, drop a comment, like, or share. We're always here to help, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.